We've all been there. You see something shiny, your brain says buy ID, and suddenly, your wallet is crying, but hey, it's not spending, it's an investment, right? Imagine the endless possibilities that come to mind when treating every little expenditure as an investment. New shoes? Absolutely an investment in confidence. The latest iPhone? Surely an investment in productivity. That expensive coffee you're holding? Undoubtedly an investment in energy. The irony is, these so-called investments might not yield the dividends we believe. Let's take a light-hearted journey through the whimsical world of investing, where packets of gum are life-enhancing assets and every impulse buy is a future fortune. Picture the excitement of investments stacking up in your closet and kitchen shelves, promising prosperity and contentment. Until you peek at your bank account and reality comes crashing down. Not all investments are created equal. While there's a thrill in pretending our expenditures are the secret to financial success, the truth gives us a gentle nudge back to reality. Real investments grow in value or yield a return over time. Stocks grow with the market, real estate builds equity, and that dream vacation package, well, it might just leave a hole in your budget. Next time you're at the checkout, coffee in hand, and the cashier asks if you want a receipt, think of it as a financial statement of sorts, an official document of your investment strategy. Who needs stocks when you can hold onto a Venti espresso macchiato, right? If spending money made you rich, we'd all be billionaires by now. So next time you say it's an investment, ask yourself, will this actually make me money? Or am I just indulging in a hilarious little lie? Share your funny purchases in the comments, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button while you're pondering whether to buy that next irresistibly investable gadget. Let's make this our next long-term investment. Laughter and reality checks.